For the Rebel.media, I'm Ezra Levant with Tommy Robinson. Tommy, thanks for taking the time. Your trial starts in 10 minutes, so I won't keep you long. Give our viewers a 1-minute summary of what's at issue today.
What's the issue is 2 years ago I took my children to a football match to watch football in a venue in Cambridge. I'd been to the fair. I had candy floss. I then sat down in a pub with my family and 10 police officers come in and told me to leave the city immediately or face arrest.
And I remember the video. The bar manager came out and said, he's done nothing wrong. There's no problem here. She tried to shoo the police away. Yep. They insisted.
They insisted and they intimidated. It was intimidation. And they absolutely, if you watch the video, I can still, the noise of my children crying. My youngest daughter tried to run away, nearly got hit by a bus. They were hysterical.
They drove you out of the restaurant where you were having a pleasant family meal. And once you were on the street, they frog marched you out of the city?
They then said, we're marching you out of the city and there's nothing you can do about it. And they brought a camera, at which point, I bring my children up to believe the police are there to support you and help you and the police are the good guys. They terrified my kids. So today isn't about, and it's not every police officer, because Bedfordshire Police have come out in their statements condemning Cambridgeshire Police. So it's about sending a message to the millions of people who watch this video.
We were just asked by an officer of the court to move away from a certain sign that said Crown Court, County Court. We don't want to get on the wrong side of the law here. We thought we were obeying the P's and Q's. And in the meantime, our friend James Delingpole came. James, great to see you. Yeah. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for coming. Of course, there's no journalists up there. If I ever go to court where I've done something wrong, it's flooded with journalists. Yeah. This is not me on trial. This is the police on trial.
James is here. There's a youngster from politicalite.com. I'm here, and that's about it, because you're seeking redress for a grievance against you. The mainstream media doesn't care.
It's a grievance where I've been offered two financial out-of-court settlements, but I said I don't want the financial out-of-court settlement. I want an apology. I want you to accept what you done was wrong. What you done to my children that day was wrong. And unless you accept that, which to Curran, giving me money doesn't accept that. I said just say sorry.
Yeah,
I think sorry.
The money they're offering you, that I think you're wise to decline, is not to actually compensate you, it's to hide the embarrassment that is sure to come out over the next 3 days.
Hopefully, and I'm glad you're here to report on it. And the worrying thing for me is the judge is going to have to go against the establishment.
Well, that's right.
And I hope she's a lady of principle and she sees the wrong. And this is about sending a message to say that we don't live in a police state, and that the police can't do whatever they want. And that there are rules of what they can do. And frog marching children out of the city when no one's committed any crime or done anything wrong is wrong. I better go.
You got to go, Tommy.
Cheers.
Good luck in there. Let's finish up with James Delingpole.
Yeah.
James, we're literally minutes away, and you and I want to get into that court right away. Give our viewers, I just wanted to welcome James Delingpole. He's got a great podcast, and you've even had me on. So I guess when you were really hard up, I was like, James, give our people one word about Tommy's place in the media here in the UK, because as we just mentioned, this place would be packed if Tommy was in jeopardy. Yeah. He's the hunter today, so it's just you and me.
But my view on Tommy Robinson is that he is if you're familiar with 1984, George Orwell's 1984, Tommy Robinson is the Emmanuel Goldstein of the liberal elite. It's fashionable to hate Tommy Robinson just because it shows how virtuous you are.
That's interesting. I'm so nervous to cut you off because we've got to get in there ourselves. James Delingpole is here. I'm so pleased he is. Daryl Goodliff of Politicalite is here. I'm here with The Rebel. You can see all my video reports at TommyTrial.com. We'd better get in there right now so we don't miss it. Thanks very much. To see all my videos from Tommy's lawsuit against the Cambridgeshire Police, go to TommyTrial.com.